all are fine. Today our book is 7 New Countdown second edition, and our exercise is 3. We have done question number 3. Today our topic is question number 4. Today it is over question number 4. We have to solve this table. First is, these are the decimal values. The first is correct to the nearest whole number. The nearest whole number, after point it is 1, so we can write 3 as it is. Okay, if the number after point is 6, we can write it a 4, but it is less than 5, so we can write it a 3. Correct to one decimal place. 3.1 means one decimal. This is second decimal place, this is third, this is fourth decimal place. Correct to two decimal places. 3.1 decimal place is 1 and second is 2. As I can tell you that if there is 5 or above 5, we can change the value, but and this is 7, so 2 is changed into a 3. Next is correct to 3 decimal places, which is 3.127. This is 7 and this is 6. This is above 5, so 7 changes into an 8. I hope you can understand it. Next is 312.76. 31, as after point this value is 7, which is above 5, so 2 changes into 3. Okay. Next is 312. Correct to one decimal place. One decimal place is 7 and after 7 it is 6, so 7 changes into an 8, so this is 312.8. Next is 2 decimal places. This is 312.7 and 6. After 3 decimal places there is no a third decimal place, so we can write a 0, so it is 312.760. Now move towards next question, which is 1.001, 25. The nearest whole. Correct to the nearest whole. This is 1, after a point it is 0, so we can write 1.0. Thus 1 decimal place, this is only we can write a 1. After a 1 decimal place it is 1.0. Next is 1.00. 3 decimal places it is 1.001. Okay. 4th and 5th decimal places, they don't ask any question about 4th and 5th decimal place, so we don't write it. Now the whole number 0, after point it is also a 0, so we can write only a 0. 1 decimal place 0.1, we can write it a 0 because next digit is 1, which is not above 5. Next is 0.01. 2 decimal places 1, after 1 this is 2, which is not above 5. 3 decimal places is 0.01. After 2 this is 5, which is between 6 and 4. Okay, this is the center, so we can place a 2 as 3. Okay, 0.01, 0.013. So the last part is your task, that you have to do this last part with your own help. We can do question number 5 in our next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.